Hey traders, I'm not sure if I'm going to upload this, but I will try and get it out, even if it is during the first 10 minutes of market open, but we'll see how we go. I just got in now, finished work late. It's nearly 10:30. It's 10:27 in the evening. I'm 13 hours ahead here in Perth, in Australia. But I just brought the scans up. I was just looking at MYSZ, which is interesting. It's up. About 8.5%. And what it is potential breakout of the $2 level. So I'll be watching that a little bit. CHK is up a little bit pre-market. Pretty good volume too. This one does seem to attract quite a lot of volume though anyway, so it's not too out of the ordinary. But my size has pretty good volume compared to ADMP is also up a little bit, but volume's not. I was a pharmaceutical play as well. I'm just going to sip my tea. This is creme brulee flavor. 2 tea bags. Normally I just have a strong coffee, but I've got to get up early tomorrow for my other job, working in the gym. So I work at Perth Airport as well. So the hustle is real, everyone. And shout out to everyone that is doing whatever you have to do to get some financial freedom in your life. Okay, some sort of update here, some commercialization plans. So I'm going to be in a position for a few minutes. Okay, that's just what I do with this day trading stuff. So my Forex is much longer term positions. I'm in a Euro Aussie trade. This has been more than 2 weeks now. USD Yen sell trade, more than a week. It's been last week on the Thursday I got into that. So this is more because I have a lot of free time on my hands, besides working and doing other stuff. But yeah, this is sort of how I play these stocks. Alright, ANCH isn't particularly interesting. What I will try and do is, where's some support? Down the 170s. I don't know if I'm gonna have this video for, it's already 2.5-ish minutes, so normally I don't take a trade until around 5 minutes past market open. So, but I think I'll just continue recording until the market does open, and this should be good. We might capture stocks to trade freezing in real time. We'll see. This right here isn't positive though. You see how it was at 29.01 for a while. Okay, it's look, I paid for this month, so we'll see. If it's getting no better, I'd prefer to save the 230 odd Australian dollars that it cost me towards another, an actual live account, because I've done near 40 trades pretty much, paper trading wise. So I'd be taking very small positions, and I'd probably be using interactive brokers or whoever allows that. And I don't mind about the PDT. That's not really an issue. All right, so then this is okay. Things are actually. Oh, that's not a good sign. I can't really zoom in, but the game plan would be here either a break of $2, which is key psychological resistance, and there is resistance there obviously with this stock, or a bounce, but it needs to panic a lot more. Oh god, that all would have frozen up by now. Okay, so big movers and shakers. We'll try and look at what ADMP is doing. Oh, okay. I can't really zoom in. Do you see this? Like it's it's like a partial freeze. It's not limited functions. But normally I wouldn't, I don't like taking a trade straight away. I would prefer to wait for things to stabilize a little bit. My side seems to be more of it's holding that support level. Entry, I'm thinking maybe a 210 entry, mental stop at $2. I don't like what it's doing here. What it's doing here now, though. This is making me very reluctant to sort of want to make a trade. I don't even know if I can. See, that's probably going to mess it up a little bit. Oh. It had the not responding thing up there at the top. That went away. What's MYSZ doing? This hasn't quite frozen yet. With let's get the order thing ready. So MYSZ up around 12.6%, 2.27 million shares traded so far. We're the kids in America. Wow. But look, I mean, the reason why I use stocks to trade is to paper trade. Okay. With my Forex, I had a demo account for 8 months before, I started, and I made 8%-ish last month. And that's quite a lot. Institutional traders make about 20% a year is exceptional. So that's just my personality. So if you're sort of going, oh my god, whatever. And I do a lot of back testing for Forex as well to understand, price action and what the candles mean at a granular level as well. So, if you like rushing in, rushing, that's fine. That's not for me though. So, look, I sort of want to take this, but do you see what I'm dealing with? This is good. I'm capturing it on video too, because I will tag stocks to trade. Look, my internet's not the best, but it's as good as I can get it until fiber optics installed in April. So it hasn't crashed, which is positive. I would like to zoom in. I think the news out on this one was that the CEO was featured in some financial program, I believe. I'm not too sure. But that was a catalyst. But it was interesting, NXTD, they had some crypto news out yesterday and really didn't do anything. CHK was the mover, and now it's sort of faded. It's not in my scan here, and it's not really. It wasn't looking super great, but oh, look at this. This is. I want to zoom in on that candle because that candle looks like a good entry candle. I like to wait for it to close as well before I make an entry. And this is running about as bad as it can get without crashing. So I am grateful it didn't crash. And it's been good recently. Actually, this whole week's been really good. It normally doesn't run like this, but for some reason... maybe everyone on my street's watching Netflix and not being a productive member of society. But anyway, this is where I am Friday night, 10:36 at night, getting it done. Worked all day, Here we go. What I would also like to do is just to see if there's some resistance at the 220s or 30s as well. No, I don't really like to see this. I sort of more like to see something like that. What's the volume at? Pretty good volume though. It's holding above. That's the 5-day moving average as well, I believe. Still check that. The movers ahead of MYSZ are all just, revolting volume. So I just can't, I'm not really keen on. What I am keen on is a play that moves fast in my favor. Or it doesn't and I close very quickly. So I have no issue closing a trade quickly. If you watch my videos, you'll sort of see that. It is fun to okay. Or this could be a panic here, which would be good. Down to, well, below 190 would be nice. Now we've gone over 10 minutes, which is good. The reason why I normally get the watch list out is that when I'm trying to upload this to YouTube and still run stocks and trades, it gets pretty ugly. I'm gonna check the phone as well. I got my buddy Chad, see what he's up to. Like I'm gonna run the video a little bit longer here, but it's just I'm hanging back because that right there, it's not bad though. It's the that's right, Tim had his overnight play on our POTN as well. What was the high on this candle here? 214. Volume. So I see the year chart, but I'm really concerned that it's just gonna completely ruin everything. Oh no, okay. It's only a 52-week high. Honestly, I mean, what was that there? Oh, Scott, come on, that's just like a few days ago. I can't believe it's only the end of February though. It's crazy how fast this year's gone. 210. Probably that was the entry, honestly, but it just concerns me when it's so laggy like this. Like what I'm trying to do is think about if this was real money, so I wouldn't be trading. I would not be, risking my money when things are like this. But that's just me. I'm very conservative, so look, I'm just trying to evaluate. Okay, so that's high day test here. I think. I don't think it got well over $2 in pre-market. I think it's actually pretty good through here to to at least 280. So I couldn't really evaluate that because it was so laggy. It was just like it's like if you ever had like an original PlayStation and you get it chipped to play like copied games, and it would be like that's what that's like. I'm in a mood for a trade as well. I'm in a mood for a trade. It's Friday, the weekend off. But it's just not, I'm exhausted as well, and I'm up in 4:30, so I'm not nap during the day, but it's just, what this sort of looks like to me is a staircase style. You give a little bit, you back down again. It's making higher highs as well. What was the high there? Oh no, 214, and that was 214 as well. Okay, so what can you do? What can you say? Look, what I will do, I'm going to end the video now, but I'm glad I sort of got that watch list live trading sort of session. I really want to trade, but it's if you're a retired trader like Tim said, would you come out of retirement for this? Well, probably not. It's not. Nothing's really fantastic about this with the catalyst, and the volume's good and the price action isn't too bad, but yeah, no trade. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll upload this straight away.